Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and creamy parsley chicken in an amazing pasta that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready my garlic cloves. You know that I love garlic, so I always add more than enough of garlic. I have 6 garlic cloves that I'm going to dice so that they release all the amazing flavor into the sauce we are going to make. We'll reserve. We're going to reserve it. I have half an onion and I'm going to dice it small little pieces. And of course, this is going to release the flavor, the aroma, and the pasta is going to come out delicious. We're going to reserve. I have 7 little slices of bacon. I'm going to cut in small little pieces and we're going to reserve. Of course, I have 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and I have my chicken breast. I'm going to add a little bit on both sides, and then I am ready to start cooking. Let me tell you, to make this amazing, creamy parsley pasta, very few ingredients, and I'm sure you have all these ingredients at home. Well, we're going to start by browning our chicken breast. This is going to take time. I'm cooking in medium heat. So I'm going to leave it here, cook it, and then continue. I have half a bunch of parsley, fresh parsley, and I'm just going to chop away and reserve it and show you I have everything ready to go. I have here the chicken that I want to brown, nice and delicious. The aroma is already coming out, but we want it nice and golden brown. So here I have the water nice and hot. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to add the pasta, any type of pasta you have. Remember, cook it al dente. Don't overcook it. It's going to finish cooking in the sauce. And now that the chicken is golden brown, we're going to remove. And in the same pan, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. It's okay if you have all those dripping sticking to the pan, it's okay. I'm adding the bacon, the little pieces of bacon. I'm adding the onion. I'm going to add the garlic, the diced garlic, and I'm just going to saute, getting the bacon nice and golden brown, not crispy, but golden brown. And of course, all those drippings are going to start coming out of the pan. Remember, do not throw away all the liquid where the pasta is. You want to reserve at least 3 to 4 cups of that delicious water where the pasta is cooking. So here, the pasta is al dente. I am ready to reserve some gold liquid. This is going to make the sauce nice and thick and nice and creamy. And we're going to start by putting the pasta, draining the pasta, and let the pasta relax and come to room temperature. And here I'm adding the water of the pasta. It's going to start bringing up all those drippings off of the pan. So much flavor is in this pan that you want to really obtain. Do not use another pan because everything was sticking to the bottom. Continue making this amazing recipe. In total, I added 3 cups of the water of the pasta, 1 cup of the heavy cream. I'm going to incorporate really good. Once it starts bubbling, I am going to add the parsley. I'm going to add the parsley, incorporate it really good. Add the chicken breast so that the chicken breast gets nice and moist, absorbs all those flavors of the sauce. And of course, we're going to add the 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Yes, 1 cup. Of course, you could add more. Make this recipe your own. But I love just adding 1 cup. Remember that the Parmesan cheese is salty. So remember, a little bit goes a long way. So here I'm adding the chicken breast. I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes in medium-low heat. Once it starts bubbling, of course, don't throw away those drippings of the chicken. Add it in there. Here, I added 1 cup of the Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to let it cook medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. And this is going to get nice and thick and delicious. Once this is done, I'm ready to plate. I'm giving you 2 options. The first one is adding your pasta dry and then add the chicken and the sauce right on the top and enjoy. Or if you want, you could add your pasta into the pot. So you have everything in the pot. So here, this is the second option, adding your pasta into the sauce, and then you're ready to enjoy. Do not overcook. Just remember, the sauce is nice and hot. So just add the pasta, incorporate everything, and then let me tell you, enjoy. Very easy recipe, very few ingredients, but the flavor, the aroma, and the taste, amazing. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy parsley chicken pasta. Excuse me. So delicious. I gave you 2 options. This one, where you add your spaghetti dried and then add everything on the top, or mix everything on the pot. You decide. This comes out delicious and amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time we make amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this creamy and delicious parsley chicken pasta. See you soon. Bye-bye.